Severe flash flooding has killed at least 95 people in Spain, authorities said on Wednesday, as emergency workers struggled to find dozens missing. In the worst-hit region of Valencia, 92 people have died, according to Angel Victor Torres, Spain's Minister for Regional Policy and Democratic Memory. 2 more people died in Castilla-La Mancha and 1 in Andalusia. Several locations in southern and eastern Spain were hit by 12 inches of rain in a few hours on Tuesday, the heaviest rainfall in Valencia in 28 years, according to state weather agency EMET. Emergency services in Valencia, the city of Malaga, Castilla-La Mancha, and other areas said they were still working to find dozens of missing people. Emiliano Garcia Page, the head of the Castilla-La Mancha regional government, likened the deluge to a dam collapsing. It wasn't a heavy downpour, it was like a dam had broken. People were calling emergency services crying, asking for help, and it was almost impossible to reach them. Garcia Big told Spanish television channel TV. The hard-hit region of Valencia was thrown into chaos, with most highways completely impassable on Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Vehicles left in traffic were swept away by the water and moved. At least 40 people, 6 of them in a nursing home, have died, the state news agency IFE reported, citing the mayor of Bayporta in Valencia. Videos released by several rescue agencies on Wednesday showed entire streets submerged in water, people trapped on rooftops, and cars piled up and overturned. About 1,200 people remain trapped on different parts of a highway in Valencia, and 5,000 cars have been submerged by the rising waters, the Spanish news agency IFE reported, citing the Spanish Civil Guard. Trains were suspended in the Valencia region, and other major public services were suspended in other affected areas. According to the local government, schools, museums, and public libraries in the Valencia region will be closed on Thursday. Survivors and family members of missing people told television channels about the terrifying downpour. It was very painful. When we saw the water rising and reaching the first floor of the house, we went up to the roof. We stayed on the roof until 4 a.m., 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. We had no water, we were cold. Finally, the helicopter arrived, one resident said. Everything is destroyed, but at least we are here to tell the story, she added. In towns near rivers such as Hotel or Bayporta, water seeped into the streets, CNN Spanish reported. Trucks, cars, and garbage cans were swept away by the currents, in some cases reaching the first floor of buildings. The Spanish Meteorological Agency said the cold shower that caused the flooding was the worst Valencia has seen this century. A cold shower refers to a pool of cold air in the atmosphere that can break away from the jet stream, causing it to move slowly and often bringing heavy rain. The phenomenon is most common in the fall. The massive amount of rain that fell came as a surprise to many, with people finding themselves trapped in basements or first floors of their homes and unable to get to safety. Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez said on Wednesday that his government would use all means necessary to help flood victims, and he urged people to remain vigilant. He is scheduled to visit Valencia on Thursday. Defense Minister Margarita Robles described the flooding as an unprecedented phenomenon, CNN Español reported. Robles said more than 1,000 members of the military have been deployed to help with rescue efforts. The Spanish government has declared 3 days of official mourning for the flood victims, starting Thursday. Scientists say the human-caused climate crisis is making extreme weather more frequent and intense. As the world warms due to fossil fuel pollution, heavy rainfall events are becoming more intense and frequent. Warmer oceans create stronger storms, and a warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture, which it extracts in the form of heavy rain. Rainfall warnings continue until Wednesday for parts of eastern and southern Spain, according to the Spanish Meteorological Agency EMET, with the threat of heavy rain expected to continue until the end of the week. EMET.
Esto es feo. Vale, tú nos quedamos para allá, Bolívar, ¿vale?
Sí, sí.